Welcome to Yala Hair Salon YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because today we are breaking down everything you need to know about hair system, also known as hair patch or non-surgical hair replacement. Whether you are dealing with hair loss, bald spot or receding hairline, this video will be your complete guide. First of all, let's talk about what is a hair system. A hair system is a non-surgical solution designed for the people facing baldness, thinning hair or a receding hairline. And no, it is not a traditional wig. A hair system is a custom made to match your exact hair density, color, length and texture. Make it 100% natural. It has two main components. First one is base material, the foundation that sits on your scalp. And second one is human hair, premium quality hair that is knotted or injected into the base. This gives you a natural hairline and a look that blends perfectly with your real hair. Now let's talk about how is a hair system applied. At Yala Hair Salon, we use three safe and proven attachment methods. The right method depends upon your lifestyle, sweat level and the daily routine. First method is tape attachment. Skin friendly and safe, easy to maintain, whole duration up to 7 days. Suitable for normal sweating, gives a natural finish. And second method is glue and bond attachment. Seamless and ultra natural hairline. Great for gym goers, swimmers and heavy sweaters. Strong hold for 20 to 25 days. Completely undetectable. And third method is clip based attachment. No shaving is needed. Best for the people who want easy daily removal. Requires some natural side hairline so that the clip can attach to your hair. Now let's talk about the most important part, type of hair system. Hair system comes in different basis material. Each is designed for specifically need, budget and lifestyles. First system is called mono base system. Strong mesh base, most durable of all, long lasting and comfortable. Slightly less invisible than lace or skin base. And second type of hair patch we have is Australia base, also known as hybrid base. Combination of mono plus thin skin plus lace front. Strong grip with natural hairline, perfectly balance of durability and realism. And third type of hair patch we have is Q6 base, lace front plus mono center plus skin slides and a back. Great for first time user. Natural front with strong midsection. And we also have full lace system, lightweight and breathable, ideal for hot weather, looks extremely natural, require delicate handling. And the last hair system we have is PU, also known as thin skin system. Ultra thin bases from 0.03 mm onwards, looks like a natural scalp, very durable. Now let's talk about price ranges of these hair system. At Yala Hair Salon, we offers options for every budget. First one for standard systems, it costs around 700 AD, and premium systems goes from 750 to 1100 dirhams, and ultra premium custom made category goes from 1200 to 1600 dirham. Customization such as gray hair, curly hair, afro hair, etc. can be done as per client requirement. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has helped you to understand hair system better, then make sure to like, subscribe and share, and follow for more tips, tutorial and real client transformation. Book your consultation today at Yala Hair Salon, where confidence meets style.